watching you. I don't question where you go. I don't need to read your phone just to feel like I should know. What we have don't need defending. It don't shake when people stare. Every time you step beside me, I already know you're there. No games hiding underneath, no doubt whispering in the dark. We don't got what's already free. We just trust the way we are. 'Cause we got nothing to prove, nothing left to explain. No pressure coming from the outside, no jealousy running our name. We don't pose, we don't pretend, we don't fight just to win. We got nothing to prove, just love that's settled in. That live for show and every move for display, but we don't need an audience to feel secure this way. You don't test my dedication, I don't ask you for a sign. We let love stay quiet and solid, knowing everything aligned. No fear calling out our past, no doubt leaning on our door. We don't measure what will last, 'cause we already know for sure. 'Cause we got nothing to prove, nothing left to explain. No pressure coming from the outside, no jealousy running our name. We don't pose, we don't pretend, we don't fight just to win. We got nothing to prove, just love. If love is real, it don't shout, it don't need to stand out. It stays cool in the spotlight, and even cooler when nobody around. No fear of losing control, no insecurities creeping through. When love is rooted and grown, there's nothing left to prove. We got nothing to prove, no reason to rearrange. What we have feels solid and true, and that don't need to change. No doubt right in our end, no need to defend what's been. We got nothing to prove, just